H.J Hollis, in my opinion, he differentiates massively from the two previous N2O Cola races, that being Manny Flywheel and Parker Brakesten, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. Well, of course, other than being new, next gen car, his design is massively different from the other two. Mainly because they were purple. Well, their main colour was purple. And yes, I know. Before you all comment in the comments, yes, H.J Hollis is purple on air, but his main colour, I'd say it's more green if anything. No, what does it mean? Well, I wouldn't say it's the main colour as such, but it's probably a mix of. Well, the main colour is green and purple, whereas on the previous two, it was just purple. Just you see where I'm coming from on that one? Yeah? I don't know, plus, like a lot of the other next gens, the design is a lot more simplistic than the stock cars, so, it's not all I can do about that. Personally, I love the, charm of the Cars 1, stock cars particularly. That's just, it's probably all the nostalgia I got from the original one. I was very young. To be honest, I still watch the original one to this day sometimes. That's just how good the show is. The intro in the first one, with when they're all racing and Dynaco 400 is just, that scene is just incredible. I wish they actually did like a film about the Piston Cup race itself. That would be pretty good, in my opinion. Still enough yapping about nonsense about things that'll never happen. Probably, I'll probably get GTA 6 before like Cars 4 or something like that. I don't know. Still, let's have a closer look at him. Still, N2O Cola is a sponsor, and as you can see, actually, I think unlike some of the other sponsors, most of the other, actually, is it 6 sponsors? Hold on a minute. I think 7 of the 7 sponsors and Cars 3 brand new to my knowledge, whereas N2O Cola is just old. N2O Cola. What are your thoughts on it? Is it underrated, overrated, perfectly rated? Personally, Manny Fly was my favourite, but that's probably the only good race car, in my opinion, for N2O Cola. I don't know, but I'm not a fan of the other ones. I'm a fan of this guy, but nothing beats Manny Flywheel. Still simplistic and whatever. 68. Hold on. What was Manny Flywheel's number? Cars on. Did they change the number? Or am I thinking cranberry juice? Yeah, I think I am thinking cranberry juice. Because they changed the number from. What was it? 63 to 6, I'm pretty sure. Because Bubba Wallace was playing Bubba Wheelhouse, so that's why I changed the number from 63 to 6. So he's got the yellow rookie stripes on the back, as all the other next gens do. Oh, almost forgot to mention, here is Danny Swerve's model. So here are some other fellow Danny Swerve's models. They got Paul Conrev and whatever this guy's name. Eric Breaker. That's it. Eric Breaker is his name. Eric Breaker. Spiky Phillips is on the Lil Talky Pistons one. FYI. Not the other way around. Still, I like him. Sorry, Ramon. Have a great day, folks.